Start by clicking on the add icon and select Create Invoice. Choose the Create New option and begin. Select the batch for which you wish to create an invoice, and the system automatically fills in most of the remaining fields. We can, of course, edit all of them manually. Let's go one by one. All the students of the batch are selected by default. You can deselect anyone who you don't want to include in this invoice. In the date range section, the current month's date range is pre-selected. Here, you can choose the time period for which you're billing your students. Due date is the date when you are expecting payment for this particular invoice. If you want advance payments, make sure you select the date here accordingly. The fees per session is taken from your batch information which you provided while creating this batch. You can edit this as well. Proceed to add a custom note regarding your bank or payment details and click Next. Here, you can edit details like the number of sessions or fees per session at an individual student level. If you need, you can also take out a particular student from this invoice. All that is left is confirming your details in the preview page and hitting Create. There, 3 unique invoices have been successfully created at one go. Share this with your students and get your Guru Dakshina.